Start your day with the sweetness of maple syrup dripping over your life in the Harrington Housing Drummond, Montreal. The property offers non-ensuite apartments including a private bedroom, a shared bathroom, and a shared kitchen. The room comes with a television where you can enjoy your favorite TV shows, a study deck, a bookshelf, bed linen, and a nightstand. You don't have to worry about any household chores as it also offers amazing amenities like a concierge and doorman and washer dryer so that you can ease off from your daily chores and cherish a hassle-free student life. You don't have to worry about getting late to your classes as McGill University and Concordia University are just a short walk away, making your daily commute look like a piece of cake. Weekends are a party in Montreal. After a long week of classes, you can treat yourself to some delicious Italian cuisine at Weinstein and Gavino's, or you can just blow off some steam with your friends over a couple of delicious cocktails at Mad Hatter Pub. Who doesn't like a good adventure? For spontaneous plans, you can catch a bus anytime from Dr. Penfield bus station or catch a train from Guy Concordia train station. Visit amberstudent.com and book Harrington Housing Drummond, Montreal today.